everyone, welcome back. It is a pretty rainy day today. Where I'm from is expecting between 75 and 125 millimeters of rain. So we're gonna head one province over. I would camp here, but the winds are gonna be way too brutal. So I'm gonna head over one more province and go to a lake called Horseshoe Lake. Should be fun. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Hey everyone, I'm here at Horseshoe Lake in BC. Yeah, I was gonna film putting up my tarp, but it's raining too hard and I didn't really want to get my GoPro kind of soaked because I have a cage on it and it's not very waterproof with the cage on it. So yeah, I'm just gonna hang out at the campsite for a bit and I'll see you in a bit. Good morning. I had a pretty good sleep last night. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get up and have some coffee, tear down my camp, and I think I'm gonna head out right away. Here. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. So, I just want to apologize for last night, for the abrupt ending. I recorded something just before bed to let you know I was going to bed, and for some reason my mic wasn't working, and it still isn't working. I can't figure out what's wrong with it, but all the audio was shot, so yeah, here I am. It seems like a big skip, but yeah, no audio. I'm really confused why my mic stopped working. I'll have to figure it out at a later date. Well, everyone, I think I'm gonna pack her up and head out. I have to take this tarp down. It's gonna take me more than a minute to pull it down. So I'll see you on the next adventure. If you want to do me a favor, you want to like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. That would be awesome. Have a good one.